The Devo G1 Smart Lock revolutionizes home security by combining a biometric fingerprint door lock, a high-definition camera with night vision, and a video doorbell into a single device. With advanced human detection technology and two-way audio, this smart lock ensures that you are promptly alerted to any unusual activity at your door, allowing for remote communication and identity verification. Offering 6 different unlocking methods, ranging from fingerprint recognition to voice commands, the Devo G1 Smart Lock provides flexibility and convenience for every user. Thanks to its built-in Wi-Fi, this smart lock allows seamless remote management via an app, enabling you to control access, monitor activity, and receive real-time updates from anywhere. Designed to endure harsh weather conditions, the lock's impressive battery life and waterproof certification ensure it remains functional in extreme temperatures. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 15 minutes with no drilling required. And the lock comes with a comprehensive warranty and round-the-clock support for peace of mind.